Hi everybody, it's Sally from Sallystampers. Thank you for joining me today. Today I am bringing you my no, I'm not bringing you that. Wrong page of my notebook. I am bringing you my lovely in linen gift bag. So yet again I'm bringing that lovely in linen DSP. Beautiful satin ribbon here and that lovely little stamp and punch going on. It's a nice tall slim gift bag. You could fit quite a few things in there, but I think it's lovely and it shows off this DSP really well. So let's make it. So to start off with then, you're going to need a piece of DSP that is 12 by 10 inches, 30.5 by 25.5, and on the long side we're going to score at 3 inches, 7.5 centimetres. Rotate anti-clockwise and score on the short side at 3, 4.5, 7.5 and 9 inches. And that will be 7.5, 11.5, 19 and 23 centimetres. We're then going to fold and burnish our score lines. I love the pattern on this, it's just so pretty. So pretty. Okay, super simple gift bag, just the cutest. Okay, across this bottom section here, we are just going to cut these up into separate pieces. So all the way up to that score line, we're just going to bring them all the way up. And this one, and just take that edge, that corner piece off. So you're left with this effect. Now before I go any further, I need to bring in my trimmer, because if you try and fold this up now, these pieces are too big to fit. Okay, so you need to trim them. So put your bag into your trimmer, hold these narrow strips up because you don't want to cut those, and then we're cutting this piece, so my sides are 1.5 inches, which will be, let me just find my paper, 4 centimetres. So I just need to cut this at 1.5 or 4 centimetres. So just trim that bit off. Obviously you can use those bits for whatever you wish. And that will now, when you fold these over, fit perfectly. So adhesive down this section here. So I'm going to use some seal just because it's a bit quicker than using wet glue, and it's DSP, so it will be strong enough. Fold those over, and then all you need to do is fold these long pieces in, then the back piece, and some adhesive on there, and fold that over. Oops, just make sure it's straight before you do that. There we go, that's better. Okay, my hand just about fits inside. Press that down. So I'm just going to pinch the top together here and then just use my finger to smooth the sides. And then I'm actually going to get my trusty pegs at the top here. And I've gone with denim ribbon on this one. Again, just trying to pull out that bit of navy, and then just tie your bow on. Shush please, cat. Just tie my bow. Hopefully this won't look too bad. The bow I mean, not the ribbon. The ribbon will look amazing obviously. I'm quite happy with that, even if it is a little sideways. And then I'm just going to trim, whoops, I'm not using my ribbon scissors, that's the problem. Cut that ribbon like so, and then you just need to add your decoration. So I have some basic white here, and I'm going to go with this large flower, which is lovely. And then, oops, nearly off the edge of my stamp. And then I want this piece here, and then I want, oh hello, and then last but not least, the teeny tiny flower. So I want, no, not petal pink, pale papaya for my flower. So I'm just going to ink that up and stamp it there. Oh, I've got the lines off my ink block, but that's fine. And then, oh crumbs, I want Night of Navy. And I'm actually going to use a separate piece here because that will just be a bit easier. Night of Navy for my punched image, and also my sentiment. And then I'm going to go with some sweet sorbet for my little flower, just like so. Grab my punch and just pop this in. And then all that's left now are, or should I say is, my flower here that I actually fussy cut. So I will try and be as quick but as neat as I can. Oh, there's my dog jumping off the bed. So just, as you can see, I'm moving the paper, not my scissors. Fighting with it now. All the way round. And then hopefully this will be the last little bit here. Get rid of that. All the way round. Like I said, it's luckily quite a nice image to fussy cut. And then just round. My dog is obsessed with the cat food. That is why she's come running downstairs, because she can hear him shouting and she thinks, oh, he's had cat food, and she'll think it's still on the floor and that she can come and have it. But she isn't having it, and she doesn't have it, so she's not getting it. Okay, I use these gorgeous solid faceted gems. Now, I actually found this quite amusing because these colours are actually not the colours that I've used. So on this bag, I used Evening Evergreen to stamp, and yet the embellishments are Mossy Meadow. I can't remember off the top of my head what colour these bright blue ones are here, but either way they work with my Night of Navy, so I'm going with that. They might be Night of Navy, I honestly cannot remember. Dimensionals on the back, and that is a little gift bag. How cute. And it will almost certainly hide that bit, which is even better. But there they are, my lovely, long, tall, slim gift bags. Hope you like them. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.